by struggle. Freedom democracy comes by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle, by struggle. Freedom. Greatest Nigerian people. Great. Greatest Nigerian citizens. Great. Greatest Nigerians. Great. Opposition to thrive. Yes. Opposition must survive. Opposition must survive.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, gentlemen of the press. As you can see, these are responsible Nigerians, lovers of democracy, who have come out in their numbers to fight for the survival of democracy in this country. As we can see, democracy is under threat in Nigeria. And that's why all of them have left their workplaces, their homes. Some are even fasting to come out to say this, to the Nigerian people. The matter here is very simple. We have discovered that Justice Joyce Abdulmalik has been bought over by the ruling government. We have discovered that she's not only biased, she has decided to help in destroying our democracy, the hard-earned democracy that Nigerians suffered for. And that will not be it will not be acceptable to Nigerians. In this country, people forget history. I can tell you that a former president of the appeal court recused herself from a matter because a party said, we don't have trust in you, we don't have confidence in you. Justice Bukachua, the former president of the state of appeal court. We've seen Justice Binta Inyako recuse herself when a party says, we don't want you, we don't have confidence in you. We have seen so many. Justice Omotosho was the first judge on this case. He recused himself when a party to this matter said, we don't trust you. Then Justice Abdulmalik should tell us why she insisted on going on with this case in spite of the concern of a party. So we are calling on CJN, we are calling on all lovers of democracy that this cannot continue. She should recuse herself from this case, and we are calling on Justice Soul, the chairman, and the president of Federal High Court, to reassign the case to a justice with moderate tendencies, a justice that believes in doing what is signed up to do, to protect justice and democracy of this country. We will not allow them to kill that. The message is clear. Judiciary, save our democracy. Judiciary, save our democracy. Judiciary, save our democracy. Our democracy is under threat. Thank you, gentlemen.
Hold on, sir. I just have two questions before you.
Please go ahead.
Your name first, sir.
My name is Olawade Fabian. I'm a national leader, national officer of the party.
Okay, now
Deputy National Finance Secretary of the ADC. For me to come here, it means I lay so much importance to what these people are doing.
Okay, you said earlier on that you have evidence that she has been bought over by some parties. Our conduct at proceedings confirms that. I can give you an instance. How can a judge who is sitting on a case be bullying the lawyer of a party because you have an ulterior motive, because you have been given, I don't know who is giving that instruction. So you say her conduct has shown?
Our conduct has shown. It's easy to see. What is there when the party said we don't have confidence in you, then you recuse yourself.
Just to get you clear, any party has said that they want her to recuse herself from the case?
Yes. The ADC lawyers have said we don't have confidence. It's there before her. But she insisted that she's going to go ahead with it. We will not allow that to happen. You see in the statement, the leader of the protest read, they will be here tomorrow to occupy this place. Let them bring all the police in Nigeria. We'll tell the police that they are supposed to protect us. Yes. They are supposed to protect the democracy. That's why I've come to identify with this people.
One last question. Are you aware that the party has dragged Justice Joyce Abdulmalik, the Federal High Court, to another court?
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. I am not aware, but it's possible, because when a judge is... See, when a nation is failing, when executive is becoming reckless, it is the judiciary that steps in. That's what we are saying.
That is true.
They should step in and reset the order for this country.
The message is simple, like my brothers have said. The truth is that we are passing vote of no confidence on Justice Abdulmalik. She's already compromised. We don't have confidence in her.
Yes,
her previous conduct have shown. She was the one that sent El-Rufai, the opposition leader,
and Malami.
She has taken. You check her record, you know that she does not conform in the tenets of democracy in this country. So the woman is being sponsored by APC. The woman is being manipulated by Wike. Wike has sworn that nobody will contest against Bola Tinubu.
Yes.
And we want to sound it as note of warning. Today we are issuing an ultimatum that today Justice Abdulmalik should recuse herself from that case that involves ADC. That we need a more moral, justified judge to handle our case, because democracy is under threat. Yes. Forget, if there is no judiciary, we operate military rule. So judiciary is the oil that garnishes democracy. Since Abdulmalik has decided to destroy our democracy, we are not going to have any other option than to make sure she is destroyed. Because Nigeria is bigger than her. Nobody is bigger than Nigeria. Tinubu is not bigger than Nigeria. Yes. Wike is not bigger than Nigeria. Yes. They came and became Nigerians. Yes. Nigeria was in existence before Bola Tinubu was born. Yes. And Wike came to become a Nigerian. Yes. And we will not watch them destroy our country. Yes. And this country must continue. Yes. Opposition must thrive. Yes. Democracy must continue. Yes. Because Bola Tinubu and Wike are major beneficiaries of democracy. Yes. They should not come and destroy it for us. Yes. And we are saying no to Justice Joyce Abdulmalik. Yes. If she wants to try us tomorrow, we are coming to occupy her. Yes. And if she feels people like us we have been quiet all this while, now we have come out. Yes. Nigeria must wake up. Yes. The truth is that we are sending strong message to Bola Tinubu. We are sending strong message to Bola Tinubu. Yes, nobody says Bola Tinubu should know that he can never contest the presidency of Nigeria alone. And the Nigerians are tired of him. And Nigerians have opposition that is greater than APC. And that is where all Nigerians have started to align with. And because they have seen that ADC is a party to beat, they are trying to use Justice Malik to destroy it. And we will not allow that.
Oluwade is appearing before Justice Abdulmalik. Same Malami. Are you saying everything, the whole cases that they are appearing before Justice Abdulmalik is connected to ADC?
Yeah, she's the hatchet woman of the APC. And they use her to carry out their hatchet job. That is what the evidences are there now. Are you not seeing it? Malami is in prison. Erufai is in prison. They went through her and she wants to destroy ADC so that we will not have any opposition. Bola Tinubu is gone. And this is going to be the last we are going to want them.
When our democracy is being threatened, it should be a serious source of worry to all of us. More so, if our judiciary is found to be complicit in the death of our democracy in Nigeria, then there is no hope for Nigeria, for Africa. Gentlemen of the press, we are here this morning to condemn in strongest terms the unethical practices of Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Federal High Court, targeting opposition political parties in Nigeria, particularly the African Democratic Congress, ADC, the only surviving opposition party in Nigeria. Justice Joyce Abdulmalik constant rulings against ADC and other opposition parties demonstrated her clear bias with a singular purpose of weakening political opposition and consolidate the ruling party power, which by extension times Nigeria democracy, which by threatening Nigeria democracy. Let us please it on the record that ruling APC and the Wike are increasingly using Justice Joyce Abdulmalik to settle political rather than legal disputes. Her unethical behaviors and discredited all known democratic practices, principles undermine justice, integrity, and erode public trust in the judiciary. As ADC registered members and stakeholders, the lovers of democracy in Nigeria, we therefore call on Chief Justice of Nigeria to intervene urgently by, number one, directing Justice Joyce Abdulmalik to rescue herself from ADC and opposition party cases. Number two, to protect Nigeria democracy from judicial manipulation. As the ADC case is coming up before Justice Joyce Abdulmalik on Friday, 6th March 2026, we call on the CGN, NBA President, Nigeria international communities, and all lovers of freedom across the globe to press her to rescue herself from the ADC case. Let it be known to Justice Joyce Abdulmalik and her co-travelers that we will occupy the Federal High Court tomorrow, 6/3/2026, to ensure that she did not sit to carry out the assignment given to her by the ruling APC and her paymaster Wike, which is to destroy ADC. The security agencies, to avert any casualties tomorrow, we solicit your utmost support, since we will be most peaceful. Let Justice Abdulmalik be put on notice that should any Nigerians suffer any injuries as a result of the protest tomorrow, Nigerians will hold her and her family accountable and will surely pay for it daily. We call on all Nigerians who are not here today to come out, occupy the Federal High Court tomorrow until Justice Joyce Abdulmalik rescues herself finally. We urge the CGN, NBA President, and international community to act swiftly to rescue democracy and uphold judicial integrity.
Save democracy! Judiciary! Save democracy! Democracy! Under threat! Under threat! Judiciary! Save democracy! Judiciary! Save democracy! Justice Joyce Abdulmalik must excuse herself! Must recuse herself! Must recuse herself! Justice Joyce Abdulmalik must excuse herself! She is working for the ruling government like democracy! No government like democracy! No government